Hello guys, welcome back to Cindy's Cuisine. Fall is here and today we are making the most amazing pumpkin bread. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start by getting my wet ingredients together. And this recipe calls for 4 eggs. And this is a really easy and delicious pumpkin bread. Perfect for the season. Fall is my favorite season. This is when I do most of my baking. 1 cup of vegetable oil. And 2.5 cups of sugar. And I'm using unrefined sugar, but you can use the regular sugar. This one is non-GMO. Put my ingredients together, and I'm going to stir them for a little bit. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of pumpkin puree. I'm just using the canned pumpkin. If you have a fresh pumpkin and you would like to make your own puree, that's fine, as long as you have the pumpkin puree. So now I have all these wet ingredients together. I'm going to measure out my dry ingredients. So this recipe calls for 3¼ cups of flour, and I've added the flour. And now I'm gonna add my spices. That is why I love pumpkin bread, because of all the warm spices. It reminds me of fall. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1 teaspoon of allspice, 2 teaspoons of salt. Again, we want to add the salt to even out the flavor. Let's add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Let's get it out here. Baking soda in, and now our baking powder. And let me tell you, this is a bread that you would like to share with your co-workers, your family, your friends. It's a real winner. I'm gonna add, take my time and add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And if you want to make more than 2 loaves, you can also double the recipe. You can also make little muffins. There are so many options. Sometimes when I feel like adding chocolate chips, I add the little chocolate chips, and the kids really love it. Just get it all in here. Now my ingredients are combined and I have this beautiful batter. And what's so great about it is that you don't really need to have a mixer or a blender. You can if you want, but right now I am using a wooden spatula. You can use a fork. So here it is, here you have it. Now I've lined these little loaf pans with some parchment paper, and I am going to pour in the batter. And I'm going to use the paper as a little handle to lift the loaves out of my pans. So I've set the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I am going to bake these loaves for about 45 minutes to an hour. Bring them down a little bit. Here we go. Let them bake for a while. All right, guys, our pumpkin bread is ready. I've removed it from the oven, and now I am going to remove it from the pan. And look at how easy it is. It smells so good. Paper. And now I'm going to get a little slice. I don't like the end. I'm going to get a slice right here. Ooh, look at the color. Yummy. It tastes so good. You have to try this recipe. Well, folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.